If Photopea is not opening your PSD file, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether the issue is caused by your browser, an extension, or the file itself, these steps will help you figure it out without wasting time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. First, let's start with the easiest test. Open Photopea in Incognito Mode. On Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, open a private or incognito window, then go back to Photopea and try loading the PSD again. This is important because browser extensions, privacy settings, or ad blockers can sometimes interfere with file passing. If the PSD opens in incognito but not in your regular window, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is causing the issue. In that case, you can disable extensions one by one until you find the one blocking Photopea. Next, try uploading the file manually instead of dragging and dropping it. Sometimes drag and drop can fail even when the file is fine. Inside Photopea, go to the top menu, click File, and then choose Open. Now browse to the PSD file on your computer and select it directly from your folders. This method often works better because it forces the browser to handle the upload in a cleaner way. If the file opens this way, then the problem was likely with the drag and drop process, not the PSD itself. Now let's check the file integrity. Before assuming Photopea is broken, make sure the PSD file is actually healthy. Right-click the file on your computer and check its size. If it shows as 0 bytes, or if it seems unusually small for a real Photoshop file, the file may be corrupted or incomplete. In that case, Photopea may not be able to open it at all. Also, if you receive the file from someone else, ask them to resend it, because the original export may have failed. To confirm whether Photopea is working normally, try opening a basic JPG or PNG file. If that opens without any problem, then Photopea itself is fine, and the issue is probably isolated to the PSD file you're trying to use. If the PSD still won't open, the next thing to try is switching browsers. Open Photopea in another browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge and test the same file again. Browser-specific glitches, cache data, or permission issues can sometimes stop files from loading correctly. By switching browsers, you can quickly tell whether the issue is tied to your current browser or to the file itself. If the PSD opens in one browser but not another, then you found the source of the problem and can continue working in the browser that works best. So to recap, if Photopea is not opening your PSD file, first try Incognito Mode to rule out extensions, then use File and Open instead of drag and drop. Check the file size and integrity, test Photopea with a JPG or PNG, and finally switch browsers if needed. These simple steps solve most PSD loading problems without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.